Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nardelli. I'm going to be talking to you today about graphing linear equations using intercepts and finding the x and y intercept. Now the x and y intercept can be confusing. So the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. That's the way I remember it. Y-intercept crosses y-axis. It's in the form 0b, meaning 0 some number. And to find the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x and solve for y. The x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis, so it's going to cross down here somewhere. It's always in the form some number 0. To find it, let y equal 0 and solve for x. So let's do 1 just to make sure. This question says, find the x and y intercepts and graph the linear equation. So the question is saying to do 3 things. Don't forget to do all 3 of them. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our little t-square. We're going to plug 0 in for x and solve for y. Now notice what I have over here. My original equation, 4x plus 3y equals 12. So I'll plug 0 in for x. That gives me 4 times 0, which is 0. Then I've got 3y equals 12, y equals 4. So my y-intercept is 0, comma 4. And notice it's in the form 0, comma some number. Now if I go to graph that, I'll put it at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it right there. And it crosses the y-intercept or y-axis. Now I'll do the same type of thing for the x-intercept, but this time I'm going to plug 0 in for y because it makes things a little easier. 0 times 3 is 0, so I'm left with 4x equals 12 and x equals 3. So my y-intercept becomes 3, comma 0. And notice it's in the form some number 0. Now if I graph that, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 0. It will be right there where it crosses the x-axis. Now the last part said to graph the linear equation, so don't forget to graph it. I'm going to insert a line and draw it the best you can through these dots, and voila, I have my line for the equation 4x plus 3y equals 12. I've also identified the y-intercept as 0, 4, and I've identified the x-intercept as 3, 0. If you need anything, email me at nardelli.efsc@gmail.com. Thanks.